Okay, so this is a question from Dustin Zing. Can you make a video on how to share a project on Share Filmora 15 to my friends? Okay, I think this is a quick tutorial, so it takes about 2 minutes. Okay, so I show you how to do that. If you want to share a project in Share Filmora 15, it is the same in 14, 13, and 12. By the way, for beginner, maybe you don't know. Okay, so first thing first, if you have a project like this is just a demo one, and you have some media in the media folder. You want to share everything, including the project and effect and text and media in the media folder. You want to do this, so just go to File, and then we have a button here, Archive Project, Ctrl+Shift+A, just press it. Okay, and now Filmora will pack everything. So this is the bundle, Filmora 15. Okay, so it is a bundle, right? Bundle mean it includes everything, the effect and text and media in the media folder. It will zip into one bundle. Okay, so just click save, and it will take some minutes. If your project is long one and big one, it will take maybe 13 minutes or stuff like that. By the way, when it finished, you have a bundle, and then you can send that bundle to your friends, maybe via Google Drive or any other media transferring system. Okay, but remember, your friends has to have Filmora 15 on his computer in order to open this bundle. If he has 14 or 13, a lower version or older version of the software, he cannot open the project. Okay, so remember, he need to install Filmora 15 on his computer too. Okay, so when you finish, you can just find that bundle, but I have no idea where. Okay, so let's do it again. Okay, so this is on my computer, so I can open it on my computer. Okay, so this is Filmora bundle, and you see here it is 538 megabyte. And you know, because I just input a video of me talking with the camera here, so this one is 526 megabyte. Okay, so it will pack everything here into a bundle. So now if we open this bundle, it will ask us to save the media in one folder on your computer. Okay, so this is how simple you can save and share your project with your friends in Filmora 15. I hope this video is helpful for you. Okay, if you're new here, consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you like the video, just hit the like button. Goodbye, and see you again.